Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about a JEE question which is based on screw gauge measurements and which came in 2016. Here is the question. It says a screw gauge with a pitch of 0.5 mm and a circular scale with 50 divisions is used to measure the thickness of a thin sheet of aluminium. So here pitch and total number of circular scale divisions are given, and then before starting the measurement it is found that when two jaws of the screw gauge and brought in contact, the 45th division coincides with the main scale line, and then main scale reading is given, and also circular scale division which is coinciding with the main scale line is also given. Here we have to find the thickness of the aluminium sheet that we are measuring using this screw gauge. So we will start finding the least count. For that we will use the formula least count equals pitch over total number of divisions on the circular scale. Pitch is given as 0.5 mm and divided by total number of circular scale divisions are 50. That will give us 0.01 mm. So this is the least count of this screw gauge. Next is information is given that before starting the measurement, it is found that when two jars are in contact, we are going to use this information to find the zero error. If you have watched screw gauge part 2, when we were finding zero error, we brought the two jars of screw gauge in the contact, then find the coinciding circular scale division. So coinciding circular scale division here given is 45th. So as a step 2 we will find the zero error. Coinciding scale division is given here is the 45th. So now we have to find if this error positive zero error or the negative zero error, because for both of the case we have to do the different kind of calculations. Just visualize the screw gauge. Let me show you the picture of the scales. This is the main scale and this one is the circular scale, and it is given here the 45 division is exactly coinciding the main scale line, this line. Total number of divisions here are 50, so 0 must be or above of the main scale line. You can see this is the 0. 0 cannot be below this because total number of divisions are 50. So 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. This would go like this. You know, numbers on the circular scale is always in the clockwise direction. Means this direction, this way. And you know, if 0 is the above of the main scale line, then the zero error would be negative zero error. So this error is the actually negative zero error. So in this case, first of all we need to find the difference. Here is the formula for difference. Total number of divisions minus coinciding divisions. Total number of divisions are 50 minus coinciding division is 45, that will give us 5. So the formula of zero error would be difference times least count. So we have to multiply this number 5 to the least count, and least count is 0.01 millimeter. That will give us 0.05 millimeter. As this is negative zero error, so we have to put the negative sign before this number, and so minus 0.05 millimeter is the negative zero error. So next is step 3. Now we have to find the final reading. The formula of final reading is main scale reading plus coinciding circular scale division times least count. So here main scale reading is given as 0.5 millimeter and coinciding circular scale division is 25. So main scale reading is 0.5 millimeter and coinciding circular scale division is 25 times 0.01 millimeter, which is the least count. So that will give us 0.5 plus 0.25. So that will give us 0.75 millimeter. This is the final reading. Now we have to find the corrected reading. So now we have to subtract zero error from this reading to find the corrected reading. So final reading is given as 0.75 minus, we will put the zero error with the sign minus 0.05. That will give us minus minus becomes positive and 0.05. This will give us 0.80 millimeter. This is the thickness of aluminum sheet which was being measured by this screw gauge. So this is our final answer. Here is second choice is the correct option. I hope you understand the concept and solution of this problem. Here is the question of the day. I made a similar problem for you. Solve it to see if you get right answer. Answer is given in description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like for daily updates. Thank you.